Hey folks, so before I start, I did change that questions paper under classwork in classroom, go to classwork, and on the left-hand side under topics, I think I did share it with all of you this time correctly. I saw it was just all you had to do was view it, and now at least you can ask questions. I also might send you a link tomorrow, probably sometime after 8 o'clock, and that'll be called Class Kick. And if I'm on it in the morning, you can ask me questions in real time. I can actually upload this worksheet and probably watch you work on it exactly at the same time I'm on. I will have office hours. I'm going to try to keep that a set time between 2 and 3. I do want you to remember I do teach 3 classes of geometry and 2 classes of algebra 2 trig. I will send those codes to you as a class individually, but just remember there's a total of 5 classes that'll be answering questions. So let's take a look at problem 3. I'll try to keep these videos short. And here, as you can see, it says down here, how many kilometers is this? Well, let me just bring this to the front. I tried to clean up my paper a little bit, and so it looks nice, but that's exactly what we're trying to find. And notice that we need to make like a right triangle somehow. And when I subtract this answer from this answer, I'm going to get 1430. And I need to find this side. Well, this is the opposite. I'm given the angle here. So this is the opposite side and this is the adjacent side. Therefore, it's going to be tangent. And notice tangent is opposite over the adjacent. And notice this is a type 2 switcheroo. And there you go, folks. When you punch that into your calculator, you are going to get 2,737.76 meters, which when we change that to kilometers, all we have to do is move the decimal point over. That's why metric is so cool. And that would give us 2.74 rounded up. I have to look at this number here, rounded to 2 places. I got to look at the next one after it and give it a shove, so it becomes 2.74 kilometers. So tonight what I'd like you to do is work on problem 2, and I'll show it to you. And by the way, I got a lot of crazy answers, but there's your answer. I got a lot of crazy answers. Not sure what you were doing, but if I give you this document in Class Kick, then I could actually see what you can work on, what you're working on, and I would also be able to give you feedback as long as I'm on at the same time. So here's your homework for tonight. Now, you already did that problem over the weekend. This is the problem you're going to have to do. They would like us to know what this top part is, as well as this side here from C to X and B to X. So you got some work to do here. You may have to extend this down, and that's the only hint I'm going to give you. So good luck with that. Find BX and find CX. Find those 2 sides. There you go, folks. That'll be your homework. I'll try to have a Google quiz for you. Take care. Bye-bye.